Amira.
Hi.
What are you coloring today?
Orange.
Orange. Oh my god, I love the fruit orange. Do you know in which season it is available?
In summer season.
Yes, in summer season. Wow. Oh, I like this coloring. The orange color is looking so beautiful.
It's right.
Can you tell Amira which is your favorite fruit?
Banana, mango, watermelon, and muskmelon and grape.
Oh, wow. Oh, Amira,
What?
you took a different orange color now?
Yes.
Why so?
Because that orange color is finished his color.
Okay, it is dried out.
Yes.
Okay, it is okay. You can change your colors because that is your drawing and that is your colors. You can use any color.
And everything is mine.
Yes, everything is yours. I love orange juice.
Me also.
Oh, so after you done your coloring, we will have a orange juice.
But we don't have oranges.
Oh yes, so then we have to go for grocery shopping.
Yes. I love grocery shopping.
Yes, so we will buy lots of oranges and we'll make
Orange juice.
yes. Can I tell you a fun fact, Amira?
Yes.
Orange juice is very healthy for our body because it gives us vitamin C. And vitamin C is very essential for our body. So we should eat lots of fruits and especially oranges. Got it?
And juices.
Yes.
So guys, I'm done with orange color. Now let's color. Now let's color the inner part. First I will take yellow color. I'm done with yellow color.
Hi, Amira.
Hi Barbie. What are you doing here?
Hey, I was just going for a grocery shopping and I saw you coloring this beautiful orange. So I thought to say hi to you.
Oh, that is a nice idea.
Oh, so what are you coloring today?
Orange.
Oh, I like orange juice. And I was about to buy some oranges for me and the Hello Kitty as well. We will both go and do grocery shopping after this. Are you ready to come with me?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So let's go and we'll go and do the grocery shopping.
Okay.
And
Do you want to shake hand with me?
yes, sure. Hey, leave me. Oh my god, you naughty Amira. Hey Amira, finish your coloring and then we will go out. Okay?
Okay.
And guys, if you like oranges, please hit the like button and subscribe to Amira's channel. Okay, bye. See you, Amira.
See you. Another handshake?
No. Bye. Hey Amira, where is the Barbie?
She is there.
Where? What is she doing there? I saw her on the table, but now she is missing.
I think she went to buy some oranges.
Okay, that's why she is missing. Oh, let's finish our drawing and coloring. Then after we will also go and join her and we'll buy lots of oranges. Are you done?
No yet.
Not yet, okay.
The last one.
It is almost done, right?
It's already done.
Okay. Now we will color
The stem and the leaf.
the stem and the leaf. Correct.
The stem will be dark green. And the leaf will be light green.
Nice combination of colors.
Okay, now I'm done with this side. Now let's color this side
Oh wow! Now your leaf will look more natural. Yeah. Is your orange ready, Amira?
Almost done.
Okay. Wow, the finishing touch is looking so good. Now it is looking like a real orange. Wow.
And I will eat it.
Yeah, surely you can have it.
Guys, I will do little bit yellow color on the border.
Are you done, Amira?
Not yet.
Okay, so what else is remaining?
I want to draw a sun.
Oh, wow, that's a nice idea. That's a great idea, Amira, because usually we get oranges in the summer season. And the oranges from summer seasons are very, very tasty.
And I'm done with coloring inside and outside.
Okay. So what is your next step?
I want to draw a smiley.
What? Can you say it again?
I want to draw a smiley.
Okay. A little cute sun. Are you done now?
Yes.
Okay, so show us the final picture. Wow, this is so amazing. You did a very good.
If you like my coloring, hit the like button. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. And don't forget to drink orange juice in summer season. Bye.
Bye bye, Amira.
Bye.